Hello guys, so welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to learn what is marketing management, right? We already know that in value chain analysis, marketing and sales are the uh, primary activity. So marketing and sales is it's like a art of the organization. Without the marketing, there will not be a sales. Without the sales, there will not be the money. If there is no money, how can you run the business? Why we need to run the business? Because to make this cash to us, sales is important. To make the sales, marketing is important. That's why marketing is not responsible by the marketing department. Marketing accounts is responsible by the finance department, accounts department. Payroll is responsible by the payroll department, right? Sales is responsible by the sales department. Purchase is responsible by the purchase department. But marketing is responsible by the each and every person. Understand this. In your MCQ also, that may be asked who is responsible for the marketing. Please don't say marketing department. Say the each and every person in the organization is responsible. If one person behave badly, so our company's name will damage. Understand that. For example, if accountant going to the bank and behave badly, they will say this person came from this company because this company is not that much good because he also behaving badly. It's going like that. That's why marketing is very important for the organization. So it's not a easy task. You see, marketing means, I already told that marketing simple definition is uh, giving the information of the products to customers, right? So it's a broad definition from the point of produce the product to the until the that product going to the customers, and marketing process will be there from the introduction from the production of the product and to the consumption of the uh, consumption of the customers, right? In hotel, you can see in hotels until the customer eats and going, he will be keeping as a happy by the workers. So once he eat the meals, so one waiter come and ask, sir, do you want any drinks to drink? Do you want a tea? So he making happy. If someone asks to want a tea, it's like he will take the money. But if someone asks like that, he will definitely say, yeah, I need a tea, please bring. If no one is asked, he will definitely wash their hand and he will go. That is also marketing. So we have to beg from our customers. We have to look after our customers. Then only customer will satisfy and customer will give the money, right? That is marketing. Understand the meaning of marketing. There are many definitions for the marketing. We will learn about that. So marketing management is a subject. So what is marketing? Marketing, you can see here many topics are involved here: business, branding, method, analyzing, conference, option, education, online growth, cooperation, success, inspiration, social, people, connection, combination, analyze, innovation, promotion, pricing, website, diverse, design, partnership, network, businesswoman, imagination, research, management, concept, advertising, seminar, document, digital, medium person. Many topics are involving the marketing. That's why you can understand marketing is not the only advertising the product. Advertising is the one of the mix of the marketing. There are four P's. Other four P's. Four marketing mix there. Main marketing mix for product. It means intangible product, right? Price, product, price, place, and promotion. If services come, another three P's will be added: people, physical, and process, right? So seven P's are included in marketing, right? So you can see here, share a cock and a song. It's a uh, advertisement of a Coca-Cola. So it is a marketing. It's a promotional activity. Advertisement is a one of the mix and come under the marketing mix of promotion. Fourth topic I told: promotion, product, price, place and promotion, or product place price and promotion. Under promotion there are 6 or 7 mix there, 6 mix there, 6 promotional mix there, one is advertising, right? So this is the advertising. You can see here one of the marketing is like, tweet, news, share, friends, and search, blog, chat. This was a marketing, right? It means through the news also companies market their brand, their product. You can see here sometimes some companies are sponsor to some award ceremony, in a film award ceremony or in a sports award ceremony. So it will be showing in the news, in media. They will not say this media to please show our product. They will do the good thing to show their brand, but that will be a big impact to the social. So media going and capture that and put into the TV and radio, right? Share, tweet. In Facebook also, for example, take if owner is in the Facebook, email share the is company's promotion or product, about product. So many employees also they are in Facebook sometime. So if employees see this, this is our company's product, we can share. So he will share. That is a promotional activity, right? Think very smaller. Don't think marketing is like that. You have to go for the advertisement. We have to hire the company to make the advertisement. Think small thing. If you talk good to another person, that is also marketing, right? It's a marketing tree. This include all the mix of marketing, branding, advertising, name, symbol also marketing. You can see some symbols are very attractive. It's a Nike symbol. It's a right. It's a possible. It's a positive thinking comes, right? If can they use the wrong mark, tick mark, so it will give the negative thing. So symbol will be marketing. So if you wear that shoe, so you will be positive thinking. It's a psychological thinking, right? So Elephant House saying Justice League. What about this superhero in the Elephant House? This label. Why is that? No need. Whether they drink this? No, because nowadays superhero films are very famous. Marvel's movie and Disney movies are very famous, right? Part 7, Part 8 are coming. Avengers they are. So you can see very nice movies. It's very attractive movies and very jokes also there. Comedy movies those are. Superhero movies, but there's a little bit comedy also there that can be seen by the kids also. Kids are very like to see those type of films, animation films, and that's graphical films. There are Bollywood films like a Tamil movie and Sinhala movie. There are Bollywood film that's fully involving fully real life story, but this is not like that. So it's attractive to the kids. Kids will attract by this poster, this label. If I buy this ice, I can take the Superman's face. I can see this Iron Man face, then Spider-Man face. I can take and collect it. So they will buy it. So that is also marketing, right? I am try to give you the understanding of the what is marketing. Think in very small way. Don't think big way. And definition also very easy to understand. So marketing is a broad activity. It's like KitKat, ever KitKat. So you can see here Coca-Cola company, Elephant House and KitKat. These three are using different marketing strategy. Coca-Cola says share a Coke and a song, right? It means share the Coke with my friends and sing. Sometimes it's like this. You are singing when you drink alcohol, right? If alcohol drinks, so automatically people are singing. It's a myth, right? In trips also you can see that if friends get together and drink the alcohol and they sing, but they saying drink the Coca-Cola, they compete with that. They try to compete with that. I already told that Coca-Cola's main competitor is not the Pepsi, not the other beverage company. Main competitor is water, right? not in Sri Lanka, in India, water price is higher than the Coca-Cola's price. Coca-Cola's one body price is 6 rupees, but water is 25 or 30 rupees. What's instead of drinking the water, they can consume this Coca-Cola very cheap and taste also. Water does not have the taste, no taste, right? So their competitor is a water, tap water, right? Therefore they are trying to compete with each and every. It means Coca-Cola and water is not a industry. That's not a competitor, not a substitute product even, right? It's a different. Coca-Cola and water different. For water, substitute is Temili. It's a coconut. It's a king coconut water, right? The market is the process of planning and executing consumption, pricing, promotion, distribution of ideas, goods and services in order to create exchange that satisfy individual and organization objective. Marketing involves every item. It means a pricing, promotion, distribution means a pricing, price, promotion, distribution, and the goods and services. This is a marketing mix: product, price, place, promotion. These four are involved. If four are involved, that is marketing, right? So market is the management process which identifies, anticipates, and supplies customer requirement efficiently and profitability. The marketing is given by SIM UK. Then next one, marketing is the activity set of institutions and process for creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offering that have value for customers, clients, partners, society at large. American Marketing Association. So these three definitions are telling what? Only one thing: satisfying customers' needs, satisfying customers' requirement. That's why we need marketing. Why we have to satisfy the customer? If we satisfy the customer only, we can do the sales with them. We can receive the money from them. Once we can receive the money from them only, we can run the business. We will have the money to us. That is the main purpose, right? Business is the profit oriented. If profit is not there, no business, right? So marketing's ultimate objective is satisfy the customer. So operation management, we learn operation management ultimate objective is efficient, doing the operation efficiently, less input, more output. Marketing is satisfy the customer needs, right? Altogether, these are the activities involved in the business. So business objective is making profit. So each and every activity will add value to business. Then it will automatically make the profit to our company. So market is the science and art exploring, creating and delivering value satisfy the needs of target market at a profit, right? So target market means there are separate market segment. We will divide the market as a segment, right? It means for example, if you are going to sell the ice cream, please take the notes for this. You are going to sell the ice cream, so you can divide the market as a segment. You can use as a child, age between 2 to 6 years, age between 6 to 15 years. Second market segment. Third market segment, teenagers, right, from 20 to 30. Third one, middle. It means a 30 to 50. It's a family people, right? After marriage, they will get a children also. So they will not buy the small ice creams, right? Cone ice creams they will not buy. They will buy the big portions of the ice creams, big buckets, 4 liter, 2 liter, 8 liter buckets. They will eat with the friends. But now, what about you? Do you eat with the ice cream with your family members? No. You can buy this small cup and eat. So teenagers want different flavors and small portion, right? So then old age people will be different segments. So that is a market segmentation. Market segmentation means subdividing the existing market into different features based on different features. It means a market segmentation. Target market means once we segment the market, we are selecting one market and we are producing product to them. If we produce the product to only to old age people, the ice cream, so ice cream will be have the less sugar. So we are only focused on that. That is target market. I think you understood that, right? Target market. There is a separate market for same product, different preference come from different customers, but we are focusing on them. Means it's like this. Benz car only bought by the royal people, right? Rich people. So Benz car will not produce the cheapest car. So they are focusing on the rich customers. So they are segment their market to that, right? Then take the Toyota car, the cheapest car available, and Toyota also producing the high-end cars, that is more cost, more price, that is Lexus. It's come under the name as a Lexus. It is 1.15 million, 16 million price cars are also produced by in a different name, Lexus. It's not come under the Toyota name. Toyota always in a cheapest price, but quality product. But Lexus is the expensive product with a quality. But this two product have the same quality because produced by the Toyota company. But customer think this is a rich person's car, so we buy that. Rich person go for that cars. That is market segment design. We have to divide the market segment and target the market, right? When targeting the market, they are also we can use the marketing mix to sell our product, right? The importance of marketing is getting the right product or service to the customer. We need to get the right product to service to the customer at the right price, at the right time. Price should be good. Can you buy the school shoe for you don't have the children? So if parent can buy the children's school shoe for the 20,000 rupees, will not buy. School shoes will be quickly damaged, quickly expired, quickly will become a smaller to their leg. So growing children, if leg grown, so this shoe will not be worn. So that should be very less price, 1,500, 2,500 normal shoe. So we have to set the correct price for our product based on the customer's requirement, right? At the right time. Can you sell the umbrella in sunny day, summers? You cannot sell. So if umbrella is not available on the rainy day, you can't make the profit. Can you sell the ice cream in cold days, in rainy days? You can't sell. Sometime in Elephant House also practicing that in a December or in a rainy day, August season, they reduce the production of the ice cream also, because it will be stocked in the supermarket. So wastage of the product, so they reduce based on the inventory level, they reduce to produce those products. So right time, right product, right price, right time, that is the importance of marketing. If you understand these three things, marketing will definitely win. That's why so many companies are losing to make the sales and get out from the market. They sometimes close the business also. They don't know when I have to bring this product to the market. They don't know what price I have to give this product to the market. So can you sell the 500 milliliter bottled water at 200 rupees? You can't sell, right? In Sri Lanka, water is everywhere available, so demand is very low, right? Supply is high, so price should be low. Otherwise, you have to lose the market. You will lose the market. So there are two techniques, two types of marketing ways, right? In a broader understanding, there are two ways: strategic marketing. Second one is tactical marketing. Strategic marketing and technical marketing. Strategic marketing, we have to decide whether our company is going to do this product. we have to decide whether my branch or my production location should be located in this area, right? For example, take KFC doing the business in America, USA. So KFC have to decide, can I go to the Sri Lanka and start the business? They have to decide. That is also marketing. They establish their brand to new country. Otherwise, before, if they don't come, we can start the business called KFC. Then once they come, they can't use their name. In Sri Lanka law is like that. If anyone use their name first, that is legal to that person. That's why also they coming. And once they launch everything, so from that point of view, customer has to be notified and customer has to be, we have to sell our product to customer. That is tactical marketing. Right? Deciding first thing, main broad thing, deciding whether we have to go for this location, we have to produce this product will be marketing, strategic marketing. From that point to once the production launch here or production location launched here, from the production to until the customer get the product, that will be a tactical marketing, right? So strategic market is tied in the corporate strategy by identifying the which products and markets the organization wishes to operate in. A fashion tailor decides the open in the capital city of the country it had not operated in before, as it believe they are new wealthy customer. You can see No Limit opening many branches in many locations in Sri Lanka. They decide whether I can sell this product there, right? And a good example is Cargill's Food City. Cargill's Food City everywhere, then Cargill's Food City. After 10-20 years, there is no grocery, only Cargill's Food City will be there. Cargill's Food City's strategy is that I have to locate their strategy and mission is we have to bring the grocery items to each and every person in the country. But Keel Super say we have to bring the they saying same, but they say they have to keep their supermarket is the comparably large. You can see Keel supermarket in each and everywhere their locations are very bigger than the Cargill's Food City, but small shops are taken by Cargill's Food City and they put in one cashier and doing the business. Cargill's Food City strategy is that even the small area they will catch them, but Keel Super making the broad place for them. That's why Cargill's Food City having the very less. Keel Super is the only 96 or 100 odd supermarket in Sri Lanka, but Cargill's Food City had more than 3,000, more than 200 or more than 300. Right? So tactical marketing is focus more on short term and particular elements of marketing mix and sales to make way of new stuff. Then core concept of marketing. So core concept of operation we learned, right? Same wise core concept of marketing, right? So core concept of marketing, there should be needs there, then demands there, product there, value cost satisfaction should be there. Once the everything is decided, transaction has to be occur, right? That's why you can see the business entity in the left side, right? They start to marketing the product to the market. Who is market? Where is the market? Customer are the market, right? Customer are the market. So we have to market the product. So marketing involves. So key concept means these 7 elements should be there to do the marketing. So needs should be there, wants should be there. If wants or needs will not be there, how can we produce the product? If customer want to eat meals, we have to produce the meals, right? So meals is the product, that is second element, right? Then value cost satisfaction. So once the meal is given to customer will taste, he will satisfy, is hungry will satisfy. Then value, the customer have the value, that is satisfaction is value, right? He having the tastiest meals is value. Our value is price, our value is profit, sales, then cost. For him, that is cost. For us, that is sales, right? Then exchange transaction. We are giving the goods, meals to him and taking the money, taking the cash. That is transaction, exchange and transaction. The relationship network. That is very important. Once the customers goes, we have to at least say thanks for coming here, welcome again, come again. So that is relationship, making the relation. Otherwise, we can issue the loyalty card in the supermarkets, and privileges cards are issued in supermarket, in showrooms, outlets are issuing privileges cards whether we can see how much of customer purchase, how much of cost customer incurred to pay us. We can see that. Based on that, we can give the discounts also, right? That is relationship network card. Nowadays, it's very famous, right? And marketer prospect. Marketers should be there. We have to market the product. So if you give the menu card to the customer, it's the marketing. Whether instead of saying through your words, better to give in the menu card. This is a marketing. So someone has to give that. That is prospectus. Prospectus means that is a document that is saying the products. These are our products. Otherwise, marketer should be there. Marketer should say, we have this products. What do you want? That's why marketer needed. Then market needed. Market means what? Understand this also can be asked in your exam paper. Market means what? Market means seller and buyer, a place where seller and buyer meets in order to do the transaction, exchange the goods or services and the money, cash. That is a market. Market means that the customer and supplier, place where customer and supplier meets. Once the customer and supplier meets, you know what they do next. They giving the goods and taking the money. That is second thing, right? Market means customer and supplier meets. It's anything. It's maybe a shop. It's maybe a road. It's maybe a even websites, right? So they have explained this. So the notes is given. So role of marketing is to identify, anticipate, and supply satisfaction to customers. Firstly, identify means we have to identify what customer needs. Anticipate means we have to forecast future what customer wants. We can focus in 2021 what customer wants. If 2021 weather condition is in rainy condition, we know customer definitely needs the raincoats and the this umbrella. So we will produce that. So that is anticipated. I am taking simple example to understand that. Then supply satisfaction to customer. The facility mutually beneficial exchange. Mutual beneficial expenses. We are giving the satisfaction to customer, and we are receiving the money from the customer. That is mutual beneficial exchange. The market identify, anticipating customer needs and organizes objective. Customer, you can see right side, customer needs there. Once the customer needs there, our organizer objective is making profit. So that is so in between those two circles, the mutual beneficial exchange is there. That is the cash transaction and the goods consumption, service consumption, right? Then different types of demands there. It is based on like this. This demand are categorized based on the customer's needs. If customer don't want that product, that will be a negative demand, right? Customer does not want that product. In Sri Lanka, do you think in Colombo, people are in Colombo only, in Sri Lanka, not only Colombo, in many areas, do you think in Colombo area people are buying the sweater to wear in nights or wear in the afternoon? But in Norelia and Kandy, people are buying sweater. So negative, we don't need that. So why we need that? So negative demand for sweater in the sweater in the Colombo. In fans or AC, are negative demand the Nuwara district, right? You understand that, right? Take the example to understand. Then non-existent, we are, this product is there but we are not interested, right? It's there but we are not interested. Yeah, it's cool. Today I feel cool but I don't need the sweater. But someone come and say it's cool, it's not good for your health, please keep your body warm in a correct level, then I am afraid and I will buy the product, right? It's a marketing. So non-existent. Then latent consumer have needs that existing product can't fulfill. Consumer need the product, but that existing product can't fulfill the that product. For example, latest phone. Take the even latest phone, very expensive phone available in currently available in the world. Can you call to the in a different planet? Can you access to the different planet? You can't do that. So that will be a latent demand, right? Even though you have the product, but your consumption is not enough, right? Previous days it was there. For example, take TVs there. Nowadays TVs can be plugged the pen drive, CD also now we can put it to TV, but we need a separate desk, separate cassette, separate deck for the to insert the CD and see the movie. So previously TV is there, but we can't satisfy our needs. That is defects of the product, right? Then declining, falling demand for products. Some products demands are falling. For example, radios are now, we are love radios, we need the radios to listen the news and songs, but now we are not going behind the radios. Now we have the phone, right? Phone, we don't need the radio also. In a phone also we don't need the radio, we can download the songs and we can listen any number of times. We don't need to listen their talk, the anchors are talking in radio, that is also annoying. So we don't need to listen their talks and we can only listen the songs. So irregular demand varies on seasonal, daily basis, fans, raincoats and so on. So based on the seasonal condition, demands will vary, irregular, right? And full optimal level of demand. Good example is telecommunication. Telecommunication is the optimum level of demand. There is no demand. No demand can be created, only supply are created. Then customer have to bond. New base should be there to buy the SIM. Once I buy the SIM, I will not change my SIM, right? If you are the dialogue user, you will not change for at least for 6 months or 1 year. So demand is full. Then all full, I demand, then it's like a under capacity, right? So demand is high, but supply is low. It's like a government employees. There are many graduates without the jobs. Demand is there, they need the job. That's why they are protesting against the government in the roads. Now separate protesting area is given to our protesters. Separate regulation area is given to our protesters. They can go there and near to the one Goldface Mall. So they go there and they can do the protest. So government know definitely Sri Lankan people do the protest, and that's why separately they given the place to them. So now today also I saw on protest there. So if you see that place, you will definitely laugh. It's like we giving the people to fight separate place. You can fight with you. I am giving the my enemy place to fight to me. I am giving the some strategy. Please use this strategy and fight with me. Can you say you are enemy? Please use this strategy and fight with me. It's like that, giving the place to fight with us, right? So overfull, the over also demand for product attract campaigns to discourage consumption such as cigarettes or alcohol. Right? So demand is more there. Everyone like to consume the cigarette and alcohol, but their health condition we reduce that. So we are like but not eating, not taking to our health. That's why we like to go. We like to eat more sugar, but we are reducing the sugar because diabetes level in Sri Lanka also high. Now they reduce the diabetic level to 100 or 90. Before the 130, 150. Now diabetic patients are increasing in Sri Lanka, so reduce the diabetic that's standard level to 100. Right? The market. Other than this, you have the 4 technical words. You just understand what is that. That is enough. That is market. What is market? I already told what is market. Please write there. Place where seller and buyers meet. That is market. Now what is marketplace? Marketplace means where the goods and services are transferred. Right? That is marketplace. And then what is market space? Market space and marketplace. Marketplace, goods and services are transferred. Market space also goods and services are transferred. But different between marketplace and space. Marketplace is a physical location. It's a tangible. Market space is a not physical location. It's a virtual. It's like online lecturing, online accounting.lk or online website sales. Right? Understand that both are marketplace, both are location that production are transfer. Production and transfer and money received. It means a transaction occur place. Marketplace. Marketplace means intangible. Online sales. Website. So meta market means market where you can receive all the needs of such a product. For example, if you are going to buy a car, in a one place, means take Associate Motorways, you going, or Colonial Motors, you're going and saying I need this car, so how much is this? So once you tell that, the person will ask, you don't need to take for the cash, you can go for the leasing. So leasing facility also available there. Car available, leasing facility available. Again he will say, sir, you can have the insurance policy also from us. That is also available. But that person is outsourcing everything to others. He will outsource and he will get the commission. That's why he marketing to us. Then he will say, once you bought this car, you can receive a free service. Otherwise we can hire a service, we can give the service to you. Fourth one. So meta market is that if you buy the product, all the consumption or all the requirements for such a product will be received in that market. It is mostly not available in Sri Lanka. So a good example is vehicles only. Right? Maintenance are there. In the software companies. Software company also not only giving the software. Right? If software is given, we don't know how to install. They come and install them. They are giving the maintenance. They are giving the personnel also. Personnel to train us. Giving the consulting to us. Right? Write that in there. The marketing decision. Policies and procedure relating to. So what are the marketing decision we are taking? So first we have to think what we have to produce. First thing. Second thing, what name I have to keep to that product, that will be brand name, branding, right? That branding will be remembered by the customer for long term. Can you forget the name of SR? Even though nowadays toothpaste are called SR by many people in Sri Lanka, right? Because I also did not see that brand before 20 years, 30 years. Only SR brand was introduced in Sri Lanka as a toothpaste. So after that, actually that Klogart company or Signal company's previous name is that, I think, Klogart. So nowadays, even though you buy the Klogart, Colgate, Signal, anything, any brand of toothpaste, you will say in a bath, if you go to the bathroom, you will ask your mother, mom, where is this SR? I can't see it. So mom will say, no, I take on to my bathroom, go there and take. So that word will not be forgotten. So branding is very important. Then pricing. As a branding there, we have to decide the price, right? Level of price adapt and margin to adapt. For the trade for direct sales, pricing strategy, you will learn in the management accounting how we are using the how we are keeping the margin and how we are doing the pricing for product based on the absorption costing, based on the ABC costing, based on the marginal costing. You know the techniques there. So if you don't have the idea, please read that part and understand, right? So marginal costing means I am only taking the variable cost and add the margin. I don't care about the fixed cost. If the absorption costing means I am taking the fixed cost also. In a ABC costing, mostly used for the service company, based on the activity based costing, based on the activity involved in that production, head office cost also allocated to the product. That is ABC costing. Throughput costing means only material cost only taken, right? Then channel of distribution, we have to use whether channel of distribution means which way I have to give this product to customer, whether it's online sales, whether I have to directly given to customer, so I have to given to third party supermarket and giving to the customer. That's it. Then selling, so how I have to sell, the discounts, we can give the promotion. So we can how you are going to decide how you are going to sell to customer, whether only showing is enough, whether I have to give customer to taste this, or I have to chat with the customer and sell this product. Selling method, right? Then marketing, communication, promotion, giving the discounts, attach the some gift and vouchers with that product, those things. So these are decision, right? This is not a marketing mix, it's a decision you can think and write, how can I sell this product, right? Then so take like this, if first thing I have to produce the product, then I have to keep the name, then I have to keep the price, then I have to keep the showroom, then I have to sell from there to customer. That is a decision, right? After customer sell, if the problems can, what I have to do, whether I have to get the product again and repair and give, or whether I have to replace the product, or I have to do nothing. That is servicing and relationship. The marketing nowadays, marketing is very difficult because competitive market. Everyone you can see in EGP advertisement, EGP network KMA, that is a marketing, right? Then now Coca-Cola also using that. No meals without Coke, they saying in now advertisement. So which one is good one? Whether I have to eat the meals with the Coca-Cola or elephant ginger beer, I don't know, right? So we are confusing now. So now challenges are very high because technology development is very high speed. So you can't sell even if you buy the phone at rupees 50,000 today, you can't sell that phone tomorrow at same price. You have to sell at least reduce the 15,000. So tomorrow new phone will come. So high speed of the technology. Second one, wide access of information. Now customers are very knowledgeable. We can't cheat the customer. Even the vegetable, even the single item, they know what is there in the YouTube is available. YouTube, many videos are there. You can see, understand the products, what is the ingredient there. Now Coca-Cola consumption are very less in Asian countries, so it makes more diseases to this our health. So that may be problem. So we know the problem. Even though any advertisement we see, we ignore the product. We know about that product. So wide access to information. 24 hours 7-day communication and commerce. Now commerce has changed to 7 days. Now previous days bank are only open up to 10 to 1, then increased to 9 to 3, now increased to 9 to 5. Nowadays many banks are open 24/7 days. Sampath Bank in Dharmapala Mawatha 24/7 days. In commercial bank in Tummala Junction it's up to 7:30 morning 9 to evening 7:30, 6 days, right? So their commerce, they are trying to take the competition. So we need to access to the bank anytime, right? That's why we need the bank open for 7 days. So if the bank's open for 7 days, we definitely go for that bank. That's why that's 24-hour 7 days communication and commerce is there. The great interactive multimedia presentation. Nowadays we are not only giving the information through only TV, not to the only through the internet, only through the email. There are many media is involved to give the information to the customers. That's a greater personalized customization communication. Nowadays customers are asking the product to us. Before that, I know whatever the shirts bought by our father, I will wear, but now I don't wear like that. I am requesting the outlet and ask, this shirt should be in this color, can you stitch and give? He definitely say, yeah, I will give, because if say no, I will not buy the ready-made and I will go to the another one. So that is increased. The customers customized product is increased now. Even though in in a restaurants also you can say, please reduce this cheese. We can reduce the cheese, or we can reduce the spicy and give the bun. He cannot say no, we can't change the product, we will give the same standard product. He can't say. He will definitely change the product and give. That's why customized requirement is increased nowadays. Then 4 P's. It means people, process, physicals are there. 3 P's that will be added in next service marketing mix concept. So product, promotion, price, place. These are the 4 P's. Then people, process, physical, evidence. It's like this: product, promotion, price, place only needed for the tangible product, goods. Only 4 P's is enough. But for service, we need the 7 P's, right? It's not like for service, people, process, physical, evidence only enough. In service also, we need the product, promotion, price, place. In addition to that, we need the people, process, physical, evidence, right? We learn about that. So marketing is product, price, promotion, place are the main activity. So product involve product variety, number of production can be produced. So in beverage you can see cream soda, Fanta and Coca-Cola and Sprite have the different taste. So variety of products we need there. So their quality should be there. They should be in same taste. Even though 10 years before also I tasted these drinks, and today also I am tasting, taste is same, no change. So quality is made and design. Coca-Cola bottle, you can see Coca-Cola bottle is like a lady's body. So that's why gents are like to take the Coca-Cola. If you touch the Coca-Cola bottle, it's feeling like touching a girl's, right? Not right. So shape and design also attractive. Nowadays we are not wearing the trim fit shirts, we are not wearing the baggy t-shirt, baggy denims, we are wearing the slim fit. So design is important, and feature, brand name is important. Brand name is important. We are seeing the name and buying the products, right? Brand is Tommy, brand is a Levi's, and a price also in a correct price we will definitely buy, right? Then size, service, warranty, returns, and price, discounts, allowances, payment period. Uh, these are the elements. These are come under the marketing mix, right? Under the price only we are designing the discounts, allowances, payment period, credit terms, in promotion, sales, promotion, advertising, sales force, public relation, direct marketing. We will learn each and everything in next slides, right? Then place, channel, coverage, assortment, location, inventory, transport, those things. The product focus. So product, what is product? Product means so it's a goods or services. If you take the goods, it can be same product for the all the customer, or different product for the all the customer. Based on the product feature, price also will be changed. Right? Product should be there. Then price. Consider all element of the price mix. Consider how customer pays you value for money. So marketing mix saying product, price, place. Place means managing the distribution channel. I already told place means distribution channel. That is product means that's a product, right? Then price means what the price I have to sell in this product. Based on our costing structure, we will decide what price I have to sell. Then place, I have to keep the product in a place where customer comes. I can show the product. That is a place. Distribution to the market, right? Showing. Otherwise, keeping your shop also the product. Otherwise, if you don't have the product, keeping in the factory also the place, right? Not a product, place. Then promotion. Once you keep that, you have to tell about the customer. Tell about the product to the customer. That is a promotion. Based on customer, that product meets their needs. We can show. You can show. You can see the Oppo camera and Redmi camera. If you take the photo from that camera, you don't need to go to the beauty parlor. Very important. That's why most of the girls are using Redmi phone and Oppo phones. So automatically whitening your face, and you don't need to go to the beauty parlor to upload the photo to the Facebook, right? That is promotion. So these 4 P's are product, price, place, promotion from the point of company's view. From the point of customers view, there is a 4 C's. Product means we are producing many varieties of product, but they have to choose one. Their choice is a product. If a customer choice one product, that product is a product for them, right? So choice decide what product customer wants. Then for us it's a price, it's a revenue. For customer it's a cost, it's expense, right? For place, so place we are selling, we know grocery items should be very near to the residential place, so that will be a convenience to customer see the convenience, right? Place should be convenience. So understand this can be asked in the MCQ also. Promotion, communication. Customer saying they are communicating to us, we are saying we are promoting, but customer saying that person call if a marketing person call and tell the product about the product to the customer, that promoter will tell to their boss, I promote this product, sir. I have given the information to the customer. Customer will say one person communicated me and told about this product. So the word is different, definition is same, right? Then 7 P's is a service mix. So people, process, physical evidence, include people. When service is there, product is there, right? Even the service will be the product. You must take the salon, you cut the hair, it will be the product, it will be the service, right? Promotion means if you show your salon advertisement in outside, it will be the promotion. And price, you will decide what the price for cut this hair. Then place is the salon, place is that physical location. Then people, one person involved in cutting, giving the service to the customer. That's why we need the people in service. Then process is there, so he has to cut, people there, cutting people will be there, and he has to cut, he has to do the process. After that, physical evidence means we have to show this cut is from this salon. That is physical evidence. Physical evidence mostly use the color, label, brand name to the customer. For example, take the airline business. In the airline business, Sri Lankan Airlines, they giving the service. So their air hostess comes, they giving the service. Main service is transporting one place to another place. So we need a pilot. We need the air hostess to look after the our customer, look after the guest, right? Then process is there. Going from here to there is a process. Physical evidence. Once the Sri Lankan Airlines come in our mind, we know red color and white color. So this is the physical evidence. Their logo badge given in their t-shirt, their air hostess dress, and pilot friend. So if you see that telecommunication was a service company, if you think about the dialogue company, always in your mind where it's coming, features today. The Airtel company is different. It's like a round like logo. So we know in even the service company, we need to show our brand is like this, right? That's why physical evidence means keeping brand name. Keep the mind, brand or brand name is the physical evidence. We have to show whether I am giving this this service is given by us. That is physical evidence. We have to show that. Otherwise, how can other customers know this customer received this from customer received this service from this company? So he has to go outside and tell, I cut my hair in this salon very good. They given good. They are very hospitality people. They are given good service to us. So that is a physical evidence, right? Intangible item. Then it's a tangible item, maybe tangible or intangible. Intangible item is giving a satisfaction. It will be intangible item. Tangible item is logo, colors. This will be a tangible item. In Etisalat, what is a physical evidence? In Etisalat company, white color and green color will be the physical evidence, right? In a Mobitel, green, white, and blue color, right? That will be a physical evidence. And product, goods or services. Product means goods or services. Goods or services that satisfy the customer needs. It's a product. Consumer product, industrial product. Consumer product means we sell into the product to the end consumer. So biscuit, shoe, meals. Once the customer have the product, he will satisfy with that. Industrial goods means we are sell to the another business. It's mainly capital item, fixed assets. Machinery sell to another person is industrial goods. Even though consumer goods also sell, it's like this. Consumer goods maybe also sell to the industry business. It will not be the final consumer. It will use to do their business. Good example, PCs, computers. If computers sell to the personal use, it will be the consumer goods. If computers sell to the office use or head office or any shops use, right? It will be the industrial products. They use to do the business. In your office, you also use in the computer. It will be the industrial product, not the consumer goods, right? So it will be divided in, I think, four. Then convenience good. Low price goods are that bought and consumed on a regular basis. Weekly groceries are typically example. There is a further distinction between staple goods, bread, milk, sugar, and impulse buyers. Impulse buy means we don't care about the price. So very oftenly we buy means impulse buys. Shampoo, soaps, we are buying impulsively. So it is impulse buys, such as the bar, chocolate found at the supermarket checkout. Brand awareness is extremely important in the sector. because if you go to the near grocery, if Lux shop is not there, will you go from there, that grocery, to another grocery to buy the Lux shop? Will not. You will buy the baby shop. You will buy another velvet. You will buy the comba. We will switch to another product. That means convenience product. You need only the satisfaction. You don't need the brand. So customer is the only satisfaction. Customer need to satisfy their wants. So brand awareness should be very, very high, right? We have to show my products only good product. That is very difficult. This is a convenience product. Customer only wants to fulfill their purpose, objective. Then shopping goods. We will decide whether I can buy this product. Good example is shoes. Furnitures are good example. We will decide, compare and buy. It's not like a convenience product. We don't compare. We go and buy the convenience product. If you want a shampoo, if Sunsilk shampoo is not there, we will buy the Head and Shoulder. If Head and Shoulder is not there, we will buy the Pantene. If it is not there, we will buy the Dantex. If it is not there, we will buy the Dettol. Right? If it is not there, we will come again to home and just bath. That is convenience. Shopping good, you definitely buy, but